Here's my car before and the antenna. Here's the directions mine came with, all in Japanese. Basically says take the old one off and put the new one on. Before I do anything, I found a channel that doesn't come in very well. I hear static. I want to make sure that the new antenna works as well as this, or better. Take the old one off. Make sure it fits. Set it in place. It seems like you can't go too wrong. Set it to the side. Totally clean all around with the cleaner they provided where the antenna will be sitting. Make sure the weak channel comes in still, at least as good as it did. Here's a real channel. Yeah, at some point you gotta go for it, so it's just for looks. So I'm setting the back down first. I'm going to go up in front and look at it before I press it down. Here's my car with the new antenna.